How to style curly hair over 50 and look absolutely elegant. Aging doesn't mean you have to hide your curls. In fact, this is the perfect season of life to embrace them. Whether you have soft waves, bouncy ringlets, or a gorgeous silver curl pattern, your hair can be one of your most striking features, if you style it right. Comment below and tell me where you're watching from. I love hearing from you. Let's be honest, ladies. We've been told for years that long hair, natural texture, or volume isn't age-appropriate. But here on Rona's Edit, we do not subscribe to those outdated rules. Your curls are a crown, and with the right techniques, you can wear them with pride, elegance, and confidence. Keep it soft, not stiff. The biggest mistake many women make is using heavy gels or mousses that leave the hair crunchy or overly defined. Instead, go for light, hydrating creams or serums that enhance your curls without weighing them down. Products with ingredients like argan oil or shea butter can give you soft, touchable curls that move beautifully as you walk. Embrace a defined shape. One of the easiest ways to look instantly polished is to make sure your curls have a flattering shape. A soft layered cut or rounded bob works beautifully for women over 50. These shapes give your curls bounce, volume, and structure without overwhelming your face. If you have longer hair, consider face framing layers to open up your features and give you that effortless, youthful lift. Don't forget the part. Changing your part can completely transform your look. A soft side part adds volume and elegance, while a centered part gives a more modern, balanced appearance. Play around with your part when your hair is still damp and see which one flatters your face shape best. Hydration is everything. As we mature, our hair can naturally become drier. Curly hair already needs moisture, so hydration becomes even more important. Use deep conditioning masks once a week, and don't skip your leave-in conditioner. Hydrated curls look softer, shinier, and far more youthful than dry, brittle ones. Go short, but not too short. If you're thinking about going short, don't feel pressured to chop it all off. A chic curly bob or shoulder-length cut is far more modern than the old-fashioned super short styles we used to see on older women. These lengths keep your curls lively and your look fresh. If you're enjoying these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more timeless style advice for fabulous women over 50. Celebrate your silver. If your curls are starting to turn silver or fully gray, celebrate them. A well-moisturized silver curl pattern is absolutely breathtaking. Consider using a purple tone shampoo once a week to keep your silver looking bright and not brassy. And remember, silver curls have a softness that reflects the light beautifully. Less is more. Finally, remember that you don't need to overload your hair with a dozen products. A simple routine with the right cut, light styling cream, and regular hydration is all you need to look put together and elegant every single day. You are not too old to wear your curls proudly. In fact, you're right on time. Thank you so much for being here with me today. Remember, true style has no age limit. Until next time, stay fabulous.